What is up, everyone? I am back home in Ohio and I am doing some rock flipping at my favorite river, and hopefully we can catch a lot of cool things. We got the dogs with us. We're gonna see what we can catch. It's a beautiful day here in August and the sun is shining. It's a gorgeous day, so let's see what we can catch. Look at this, nice toad. Underneath this rock, American toad. That's pretty cool. Emma, look at that mouse. You see him? There's two of them. Oh, there's one.
Remy, leave it.
Where? Oh my gosh.
Crayfish right there.
Oh yeah. Look how big that spider is. And I think it's got some cool things holding on to it. Whoa, it's got his egg sac on it. You see that? That is pretty cool. Look at its eggs. You see its eggs? Mm-hmm. We'll release it. See you later, spider. What are you thinking? Good boys. Here's a little baby toad. Little toad. Look at that thing. Nice little American toad. Oh, Emma. Emma, there's a couple water snakes over here. I got one queen snake. Look at that, queen snake. All right, let's get him. Yeah, look at that water snake. Nice. Oh, did I miss him? Ah, dang, okay, there was a water snake. Really nice rock, though. All right, so right here, we got a queen snake. Nice looking snake, and these are really aquatic, so they like being by the river. It was just right here underneath the rock. Really nice sized queen snake, and this is probably a pregnant one. You can see it's either eight or pregnant, but I'm guessing it's pregnant, full of babies, and this will give this will give birth to more queen snakes. But these are cool, really awesome looking snake. I always like catching these, so we'll release it, get it back here in the wild, and there it goes. Nice looking water snake. Hold that, Emma. Okay, this thing's trying to go this way. Nice. Look at that water snake. That thing is a stud of a snake. Look at its underbelly. And it got really nice colorations on it, nice and banded. Just a pretty looking snake underneath this little rock right here. Get the release, right back in his hole. There's a big old spider again. And there it goes. Two spiders. But like this, even this one might be good. Oh, there's a frog. See that thing, Winnie? Oh, it goes fast. And he's going for it. This one looks good. Emma, got one. Look at that. Nice water snake. Today is the day of the water snakes.
But you have to stand on it that way.
Look at that thing. It's a nice one. Very, very thick. Nice bands, northern water snake. Doing some death rolls, and there he goes. Check this thing out. Oh, Emma, there's one. And a bunch of mice.
I've eaten all of them.
I know. Another water snake. The water snakes are out today. There's not a ton of... But did you see all the... Oh, this one got me good. You see all the nice water snake again. See ya. If I could lift this, there's probably going to be something underneath it. Emma, you're going to need to get it, Emma. I can't get it. Pull it out. Just get it, Emma. Right here. Come on, grab it, Emma. I'm going to drop it. Grab it by it. Yeah, there you go. Good job. No, pull it out. Need to bite you? Good job, Emma. It is. That's a nice, let's get a picture of that. They got that clouded eyes on it. And this thing is ready to shed. Those eyes. Emma, nice snake though. Emma caught this one. You can see the eyes though. How pretty is that
Let
snake?
me get like a cool picture.
Yeah, get it
Keep
good.
it like that.
All right, Emma did a nice job, nice grab on it. We're gonna release it right back underneath its rock. Make sure it goes back to its home. That's a big snake, big water snake. Pop that snake and look at her hands. She got bit. She's good though, she's tough. Oh, wow. Nice call, Em. Look at that. That is a beautiful queen snake. Look at that thing. Aquatic snakes. Really pretty. What are you thinking? Be nice to it. Awesome. Froggy. Crayfish. I got the crayfish. This one has no, this crayfish has no claws on it. This one looks good too. There's a huge crayfish, Em. Look at that. It's just the water is too dang murky. Did you get a hellgrammite? Nice. That's a good one. Holy crap.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah. There's another hellgrammite.
They're everywhere.
And a crayfish. Queen snakes like eating crayfish. These are aquatic snakes right next to the, right next to the stream. There's the crayfish. Watch out, bud. Look. Snaky snakes. They like this little rock right here. Back they go. There's one. There's two. Nice little water snake. Pooped on me. Nice snake though. He's biting me. A little feisty. Release him back into its hole. I feel. Crayfish. There you go, bud. Look at you guys. Hey, Ram. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go swimming. Come on. Come on. Let's go swimming. Come on. Come on, Rem. Going swimming. Good boy. Oh, race it. Good. Come on, Reese. Attaboy. Oh. He needed a break. Go ahead, go get him. Go swimming. Go swimming. Come on, Rem. Let's go. Look at all these water beetles. That is like the most water beetles I've seen ever. Go. Good boys. You going swimming? We going swimming? I know it's hard. You're a good swimmer. He's getting all riled up on a foam ball. What is that, Winston? Look, it's a foam ball. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. I finally got a green frog. Oh, shh. He's right here. snake. 2 of them, brown. Another different kind of snake. Good call. Look at that. So a brown snake and a queen snake. All right, we'll put this down. All right, and back they go. Let's get them back like right here. Actually, where's the best? Oh. See you later, snakes. All right, that's gonna be the end of the day. It was a solid day. The sun was shining the whole time. The water was still a little bit murky. Made it a little bit tricky to try to catch some of the stuff in the stream, but it was a good snake day. 3 different species of snakes, brown snake, northern water snake, and a queen snake. So really good day all in all. Thank you so much everyone for all the support. I really appreciate everyone watching the videos and all the support along the way, and we'll see you next time. Look at this.